Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. And if you'd like to see how I got these perfect curls using Flexi rods and products from Creme of Nature's coconut milk line, then please keep watching. So I shampooed and conditioned my hair using Creme of Nature's coconut milk detangling and conditioning shampoo and conditioner, and it made my hair so clean and so soft, you guys. I love this combination. I pretty much start all my styles the same way by sectioning off this top piece and leaving a small piece out in the back. And then I separate this part into two smaller parts and start by wetting the first section. And my first product is going to be the Curl Repair Leave-In that locks in moisture for dry, damaged, coarse hair. I've used this leave-in before and I really love how thick and creamy it is. It really does the job to detangle and moisturize my hair for the entire week. For my styler, I'm going to be using the Curl Quench Foamy Mousse with medium hold for defined styles. And I was so excited about this product because one, I love a good mousse, and two, I've been seeing this product all over social media and I really wanted to just try it. And I really love this mousse. It does a great job with making my curls pop and also softening my hair. Now I'm going to use my super cute Creme of Nature Tangle Teaser they sent me to detangle my section and prepare it for the rod. And for the rod size I am using the kind of royal blue ones. And I'm going to run my Tangle Teaser through my hair once more just to make sure it is smooth as possible so my hair comes out the way I want it to. And then I'm going to start rodding my hair. Now, usually when I do rod sets, well, the one other time I did a rod set, I started at the root and I rod it down. I really don't know why I decided to do it this way, but it came out great. So all I'm doing is making sure the ends are smooth onto my rod, and then I'm going to roll up, making sure that I roll on top of my ends and cover them so that they are nice and smooth the next day. Now the way you're going to get these to stay is by bending the ends of the rod on top of your hair. If you bend it underneath your hair, then it's going to unravel, but bending it on top just locks it in place. So once you finish completely rodding all of your hair, the next step is to adjust the rod so that you can sleep comfortably throughout the night. I'm just kidding. Y'all are gonna get no sleep with these rods in your head. You're gonna look real tired in the morning, but it's okay because your hair is gonna look great. Now, if you are a person like me who doesn't have a hooded or bonnet dryer, you're gonna have to just take that L. But if you do have a dryer, then you can sit under your bonnet or hooded dryer to dry your flexi rods quicker and you won't have to sleep uncomfortably. Now the next day I realized I'd missed a piece, but I couldn't find my last flexi rod, so I rolled that John up in an orange perm rod. If you'd like to see me do a perm rod set next, be sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. And the way I unroll these flexi rods is simply by unrolling them in the opposite direction, like so. To separate, I'm using the Essential 7 Treatment Oil on my hands, and I love the smell of this oil. It's so bomb. I wish it wasn't in a 4-ounce bottle. It's so good. But I just rub it on my hands, just a few drops, and the way that I separate my rod sets is just like my twist outs and braid outs, but a lot more carefully because the frizz is going to ruin it. But I just take small pieces and be sure to wrap them around my fingers 2, 3, 4 times just to make sure I hold the curl. Now the combination with the leave-in, the mousse, and the oil is making my hair so unbelievably soft and shiny. I know y'all saw that bounce. I know y'all saw it. I absolutely love Creme of Nature's products, and this coconut milk line certainly did not disappoint. Now, I know y'all have seen me be absolutely ridiculous with my fluffing in other videos. If you're subscribed to my channel, if you're not, what is you doing? But anyway, for the fluffing, I'm using a pick, and you really cannot be reckless with this. You just can't, because look how nice the curls are, and look at the bags, the luggage under my eyes from not sleeping. Y'all have to just don't mess this up. Don't mess it up. And if you do mess it up, like I did right there, just pop that finger up in there, give the curl a little twirl, and it's gonna be okay. For my edges, I'm using the 24-hour edge tamer, and only on the side that, you know, people see. And that might be a little bit trifling to do one side and not the other, but I ain't really got time for all that. I got things to do. And I'm just using a toothbrush and a regular old swoop back motion, and there you go, it's popping. I really have nothing but nice things to say about these coconut milk products. My hair came out so nice. Thank you so much to Impressions of Beauty and of course Creme of Nature for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to keep up with me on social media, my Instagram is @_JByDay_, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.